Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. My name is Muhammad Afif Firdaus bin Muhammad Suhairi.
Hi, I am Chin Kai-Sin.
Hello, my name is Nur Elisa Syaira binti Hasanuddin.
Hello, my name is Esther Tang Ailian.
Nanotechnology is a field of science and engineering that focuses on the design and manufacture of extremely small devices and structures. It is devoted to imaging, modeling, measuring, designing, characterization, production, and systems by controlled manipulation of size and shape at the nanometer scale, such as atomic, molecular, and macromolecular scale. We can use nanotechnology to create materials, devices, and systems with unique properties and functions. The very small size of the materials allows them to exhibit different physical and chemical properties than the same materials at a larger scale. Due to their small size, nanomaterials have a large surface area to volume ratio, which can lead to increased strength, reactivity, and conductivity. Additionally, the small size of nanomaterials allows them to be easily subsumed into a wide variety of products and processes, especially in agriculture.
Nanopesticide is a strategy used for insect pest management and potential of nanomaterials in insect pest control as modern approaches to nanotechnology. Nanopesticide product could tender a variety of profits, including amplified efficacy, durability, and a decline in the amount of active ingredient that required to be used. A number of formulation types have been recommended, including nanoemulsion, nanocapsule, and product containing immaculate engineered nanoparticle-like metals, metal oxide, and nanoclays. Nanotechnological deliverables like nanomaterials, encapsulated nanoscale plant production, and protection inputs such as pesticide and herbicide, and other formulation using surfactant, polymers, dendrimers, surface ionic attachment, and other related mechanisms can be utilized in control, release of agriculture and horticultural inputs. Nanoparticles present possibilities for well-organized, effective control of pests in crops and also transformation of green revolution to evergreen revolution.
Nanosensor is an analytical device that has at least one sensing dimension no greater than 100 nanometer, constructed for monitoring physico-chemical properties in places where it is difficult to reach. Nanotubes, nanowires, nanoparticles, or nanocrystals are often used to optimize the signal transduction by sensing elements in response to exposure to biological and chemical analytes that have similar size. Nanosensors can be distributed throughout the field area and monitor soil conditions and crop growth accurately. Nanosensor systems can monitor the presence of pests, pathogens, or pesticides in order to have better input of the amount of insecticides for crop productivity management, since higher sensitivity and specificity is shown compared to the traditional sensors. This will help to improve soil fertility and increase crop yield by having precise control through nanosensor.
Nanofertilizer delivers nutrients which can be encapsulated inside nanomaterials such as nanotubes or nanoporous materials, which own a high surface area to volume ratio. The tube is coated with a thin protective polymer film or delivered as particles or emulsions of nanoscale dimensions. This technology also supplies a wide range of macro and micronutrients with desirable properties. Nanotechnology could provide devices and mechanisms to synchronize the release of nutrients on demand while preventing them from prematurely converting into chemical or gaseous form that cannot be absorbed by plants, by preventing nutrients from interacting with soil, water, and microorganisms, and releasing nutrients only when they can be directly internalized by the plant. For example, zinc aluminium layered double hydroxide nanocomposites have been used for the controlled release of chemical compounds that regulate plant growth. Consequently, the harvest index, crop index, and mobilization index of the determined wheat yields variable increase significantly as compared with control yield variables.
One of the disadvantages of nanotechnology in agriculture is they might be difficult to find. Besides, nanotechnology might cause high costs to get and apply in their crop field.
This is my happy song. I like to sing it all day long. I'll teach you the words, then you can sing along. Happy, happy, happy. Happy, 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 happy. Happy, 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 happy. Happy, 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 happy. Great! Let's try it again. This is my happy song. I like to sing it all day long. I'll teach you the words, then you can sing along. Let's try a high voice.